Hi there and welcome to this class. Let's proceed in the study of coordinate geometry. At this junction here, we're looking at the concept of area of a triangle. Put on please. The area of a triangle with vertices A in brackets S1, Y1, B, X2, Y2, and C, X3, Y3 is given by the formula. I said the area of a triangle with vertices when I say vertex, like the apex. Look up please. So let's say I have a triangle this way. All right. So let me call here point A, B, and of course and C. This point A will have x1, y1 coordinates. This will have x2, y2 coordinates. This will have x3, y3 coordinates. Now, when it comes to area of a triangle under coordinate geometry, the formula is given by the area is given by 1 over 2 is half, right, into x1 in a bracket, y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. All right. This is the formula for calculating the area of a triangle under coordinate geometry. Now, to better understand this, please listen and listen, please. To understand this better, the formula is not hard. Here is how you can possibly memorize it, and it's easy. Look up please. From here, I'm having just observe this, that it was x1, x2, x3 that is there. So if you can do that, distribute x1 first, x2, x1 plus x2 plus x3. Then in the bracket was y's. So if it's x1, after 1 is 2 and 3. So x1, then after 1 is 2 and 3. So put y2, y3, but negative, negative, negative. So the task is simple. They are all negative, negative, negative in the bracket. But outside was x1, x2, x3. Now here's the trick here. X1 after 1 is 2 and 3. Then that becomes what there? Y2 minus y3. After 2 is 3 and 1. So 3 and then 1. Because 3, you're going back again to 1. Then 3. After 3 there, that's 1 and 2. Let me show what I'm saying. So without looking at this formula now, you should know the formula. It says that the area is equal to half into, we said this is x1 plus x2 plus x3 in a bracket this way, in a bracket here, in a bracket here. 1, that gives you y2 minus y3. This is 2, 3 and 1. That's y3 minus y1, 3, y1 minus y2. Please check. Are the same thing? All right. x1, yes. All right. That's all, please. At least at this place, it's easy. x1, x2, x3. Then if this is 1, after 1 is 2 and 3, 2 and 3 in y form, negative. After 2, 3, and go back to 1, 3 and 1, but negative and y's. So, and after 3 is 1 and 2. So this is how you can easily memorize or practice this formula. So it's not that hard. Because I'll show you how you can possibly get the formula written down. All right, at this junction here, let's take an example to further explain this concept much more better. Example under area of a triangle in the study of coordinate geometry. Example says, find the area of a triangle. It says, find the area Find the area of a triangle of a triangle having these vertices, vertex, right? What are the vertex? This apex point, the vertex here. So it says A is 6,6, B is 2,3, and then C is what? 4,7. So when it comes to calculating or solving problem under area of a triangle, your task is simple. They will give you three points, A, B, and C. No problem. In that case, identify which one is x1, x2, y2, x1, x2, x1, x2, x1, x2, y1, y2. Sorry, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. All right. So in this case, this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now we are asked to find the area of a triangle. Formula: the area A is what? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. All right. So you can see, without looking at the formula, I could, drop it down. So that is, it is now equal to 1 over 2 into, what's x1 is 6. So that's 6. Open a bracket. y2. y2 is 3. 3 minus y3 is 7. That's 7. Then plus x2 is 2 into y3 is 7 minus y1 is 6. All right. Then plus x3. x3 is of course 4 into y1 is 6 minus y2 is 3. All right. We're having this here. Proceeding further, the area gives you 1 over 2 into 6 in a bracket. 3 minus 7, that gives you negative 4 plus 2 into 7 minus 6 is 1 plus 4 into 6 minus 3 is of course 3. All right. We're having this. Proceeding is off. From here, the area is equal to 1 over 2 into minus 24, because 6 times 4. 6 times minus 4 gives minus 24, plus 2 times 1 gives you 2, plus 2 times 4 gives you 2 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. All right. 2 times 1 gives you 2. 4 times 3 gives you 12. 6 times 4 normally is 24, but negative sign is here. Attach it to it, please. All right. This gives you area equals 1 over 2 into minus 24 plus 12 gives you 12. Minus 24 plus 12 gives you minus 12. So that gives you minus 12, then plus these 2. Now, area is equal to 1 over 2 into minus 12 plus 2. That gives you minus 10. So 2 here 1, 2 here 5. 1 times 5, 1 times minus 5 gives you that the area is equal to negative 5. Right? I think negative 5. Yes, negative 5. Negative 5. So by the way, since it's area and they didn't give us like anything like meter, so use unit square. So unit square will be the unit here because area is in square. So unit doesn't, we don't have any unit here. Anything like meter, centimeter, nothing here. We don't have unit here. So just write out unit square, right? So signifies area. So my answer is negative 5 unit square. This is how I solve this problem. But by the way, there are some things that can never be negative. Like if I ask you for the length, what's the length of this board? So from here down here, what's the length of the board? You are telling me minus 10. Is it possible? No. There are some things that can never be negative. For instance, length, area can never be negative. So since my answer is giving negative 5 units square, but because of it is area, and area should not be negative. In that case, I will erase this negative, and my answer gives you 5 units square. So note that area cannot be negative. So that's why my answer is 5 units square. This is the concept behind area of a triangle. You can try other questions whenever you see them, and don't forget the formula pattern. It is for half in a bracket x1 open bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 open bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 in a bracket y1 minus y2, and that's all. So know how to fix in the formulas in a correct pattern. See you guys in our next class, and welcome to Excellent Link Academy. Do want to join our channel membership. Link to join our channel membership is in the video description. So check the video description. You see a link that will take you to our channel membership. Join the channel membership so you can enjoy exclusive content of ours. See you guys in the next video. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and share this video to your friends and classmates so they can learn too.
Hold on. Before you continue this lesson, I need to tell you something important. If you've been struggling with studying, losing motivation, or you feel like you're working hard, but your results aren't showing, this is for you. I recently released a powerful book titled The Shortcut to Academic Success. It is a simple, practical guide that shows you exactly how to study smarter, stay focused, remember more, and achieve outstanding results without stress. This book is not theory. It's a step-by-step roadmap I created after years of teaching students and understanding what truly works. Inside, you'll discover proven study techniques, exam strategies, productivity hacks, memory boosters, and secrets top students use every day. Whether you are in secondary school, university, or preparing for any exam, this book will transform the way you learn and help you reach your academic goals faster. And the best part? It costs only 2,000 Nigerian nairas, less than the price of a snack, but the value inside can change your entire academic journey. If you truly want to upgrade your grades and finally take control of your learning, don't wait. Get your copy of The Shortcut to Academic Success today. Your future self will thank you. Before we continue this lesson, I want to share something that will make your learning experience even better. I now have exclusive channel memberships designed to help you learn faster, get direct support, and access premium content you won't find in my regular videos. The first level is the support membership. If you enjoy my lessons and want to support the channel while getting special perks, this is for you. It's a simple way to show appreciation and help me continue creating high-quality educational content. The second level is the WAC and JAM classes membership. If you're preparing for WAC or JAM, this membership gives you structured lessons, practice questions, exam strategies, and step-by-step guidance to boost your performance. The third level is the 100-level Students Membership. This is perfect for secondary school students who want organized, easy-to-understand lessons in physics, chemistry, mathematics, and other subjects. And finally, we have the YouTube Mastery Membership. If you want to learn how to grow on YouTube, how to create content, edit videos, design thumbnails, and monetize your channel, this membership will guide you from beginner to creator. Whatever stage you are in, there's a membership designed to help you learn smarter, improve faster, and stay ahead. To join, simply click the membership link in the video description. Choose the level that matches your goals and start enjoying all the exclusive benefits. Before we continue, let me quickly share something that can change your entire online journey. I just launched a complete YouTube Mastery course, a step-by-step training designed to help beginners start and grow a successful YouTube channel using only their smartphone. In this course, I break everything down in simple, practical lessons. No expensive camera, no studio, no complicated equipment, just your phone and the right knowledge. You will learn how to create quality videos, design engaging thumbnails, write perfect titles, choose the right niche, understand the YouTube algorithm, and grow your channel from zero, even if you've never created a video before. If you want to become an online teacher like me, this course will guide you on how to teach online, record lessons, explain concepts clearly, and attract the right audience. And if you want to create content in any other field, lifestyle, motivation, entertainment, business, this course will still show you the exact steps to succeed. All the lessons are pre-recorded, well-organized, and easy to follow. You can watch them at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. So, if you've been dreaming of starting a YouTube channel but didn't know how to begin, this is your opportunity. This course will take you from beginner to confident creator. The link to get the YouTube Mastery course is right there in the video description. Click it and start your YouTube journey today.